Today we'll be talking about how to create ad campaigns to scale your book sales and profit on Amazon KDP. So for that, first of all, go to Amazon KDP dashboard. If you are not logged in, please log in to the KDP dashboard. Click on marketing. This takes you to the marketing dashboard. And if you are a new user, you have to sign up and then choose a marketplace, which is amazon.com or where you're selling the book. Go to ads console. Now it takes you to the campaign manager. If you have not signed up, it will ask you to sign up. Provide the tax information, location information, and your name and other details, whether you are the author or a company that is taking care of the sales on behalf of the author. After that, you need to go to create campaign. So this is where you create a campaign. If you have not created a campaign before, it will be empty. And there are three types of campaign sponsored products. These are for the beginning authors. Sponsored brands are for someone who is already a brand and have multiple lineup of books. Lock screen ads is for ebooks and it is not of much use to the authors who are publishing paperback. Ads on a paperback makes sense but not on the ebooks. Then click on continue. Now for the ad format, please select standard ad. This is the first time that you are publishing or making ads, so it is better to find out or understand the keywords after Amazon runs the campaign, and then you can optimize. Keep the ad group name as it is, then select a particular product for which you are creating this campaign. So click on add to the link beside the product, then it selects that particular product. Then going to targeting, since you don't know what keywords people are searching, click on automatic targeting. Then in the bidding, this is really important. Whatever is the suggested bid, please enter that bid, because it is really important to understand how this works. And since you are a beginner author, you would not know what is going on with the bidding and how the customers place order and what they look into and how many clicks will you be getting and how many clicks will convert into actual sales. In the campaign bidding strategy, you need to select dynamic bids down only. It is really important because we don't want to increase our bids dynamically. So up and down does not make sense at this stage. So click on dynamic bids down only and then click on the campaign name and rename it to something else. After that, it will be asking the start date and the end date. Start date is today and the end date would be the date you want the campaign to end. So I'm selecting June 30 because that's where I think comes an event. And the daily budget, you can put the suggested daily budget in there, which is $12. And this is Amazon doing this programmatically, so whatever they are saying, you just follow that for the first attempt. Then you understand what keywords the customers are searching and which book will benefit with which keywords. Currently I'm putting the daily budget to $2.5. Then click on launch campaign and this launches your ad campaign. And then you also need to understand how the dashboard for the campaigns look like. There are several other parameters which are related to the ads world. Let us have a look at them. Click on the campaign that you have just created. Don't worry about the status which shows ads are not delivering. It goes into the review phase and then the ads will be running. In the placement, if your ad is going to the top of the search, you want the bid to be higher, so you can do a bid adjustment of around 50% or 100%. You could do that and save here. And if you see what is impressions, impressions is the number of times ads were played. Clicks is the number of times the customers actually click on your ad, and that is when you are charged. CTR is click through rate. This is number of clicks to the number of impressions in terms of percentage. Spend is the amount of money that you have spent in the ads. Cost per click is a ratio, and orders is the number of orders you make, number of sales you make, and this is the advertising cost of sales in average percentage. So these are all the parameters, and once you get this, you can basically optimize, reduce your bids if you feel like, or increase your bids, and you can change your daily budget whether you want it to be minimum or maximum. So this is how the ads campaign work. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you want more such informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.